Imagine a world where innovation and imagination collide, where the boundaries of automotive design are pushed to their limits, and where a legendary brand embraces a new era with audacious creativity. In this video from Car Computer Exchange, we will embark on a quest to decode the enigma behind BMW's latest endeavors. Are you ready to buckle up and witness the automotive world being turned upside down? Prepared to be astonished as we unveil BMW's bold new direction and the mind-bending innovations that are causing jaws to drop and heads to spin. Ladies and gentlemen, car enthusiasts and thrill seekers, get ready to embark on an electrifying adventure that will challenge everything you thought you knew about BMW. Today, we invite you to join us on a captivating quest as we unravel the secret behind BMW's controversial design revolution and explore the seismic impact it's having on the automotive market. For decades, BMW has been synonymous with sleek elegance and unmistakable design. But now, they've embarked on an extraordinary voyage, charting a course towards uncharted territories of innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Brace yourself for a roller coaster ride through the minds of automotive visionaries who are reshaping the very fabric of luxury driving. As we venture deeper into this captivating odyssey together, prepare to witness the birth of revolutionary concepts, mind-boggling technologies, and awe-inspiring design language that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about automotive aesthetics. Legacy of Elegance, the Golden Era. Let's take a moment to bask in the glory days of BMW's design legacy. The early 2000s. It was a time when sleek lines, refined curves, and sheer automotive elegance ruled the roads. BMW's lineup during this period was nothing short of breathtaking. We had the iconic E46, the majestic E38, the sporty E52, the captivating E36-based Z3, and of course, the darling of many, the unforgettable E39. Each car exuded grace, excitement, and a symphony of driving pleasure. What made this era even more magical was the visual harmony that linked BMW's various series. The 5 Series gracefully connected to the 7 Series. The 3 Series seamlessly transitioned to the 5 Series. And even the X5 had an off-road variation that perfectly complemented its siblings. It was a time when BMW's design language was consistent, and every model was a work of art in its own right. Oh, the memories! The sleek lines and aerodynamic curves of each BMW model were a testament to the brand's commitment to both style and performance. Whether it was the iconic kidney grille or the signature Hofmeister kink, every detail was meticulously crafted to create a cohesive and captivating design. It was an era where BMW's aesthetic prowess truly shone, leaving a lasting impression on car enthusiasts around the world. The shifting tides, controversy in motion. But as the saying goes, all good things must come to an end. In the case of BMW's design narrative, it took a sudden and unexpected turn. Enter Chris Bang down, the daring chief of design who challenged the status quo with his pen in hand. With the E657 series, followed by the notorious E65 series, Bangle unleashed a wave of controversy that left even the most devoted BMW enthusiasts scratching their heads. The sleek and sexy lines that we had grown accustomed to suddenly transformed into something entirely different. The introduction of the E93 series didn't exactly win everyone over either. It seemed like a makeover gone wrong, a departure from the elegance that once defined the brand. It's safe to say that Bangle's design were polarizing, to say the least. They left us wondering if BMW had lost its touch. However, despite the initial shock and mixed reactions, Bangle's design eventually won over some enthusiasts. The bold and daring approach brought a fresh perspective to BMW's lineup, attracting a new generation of buyers who appreciated the unconventional aesthetic. While it may have taken time for the brand loyalists to adjust, Bangle's design ultimately pushed BMW into new territories and sparked innovation within the automotive industry. Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! As we delve into the fascinating world of BMW's design evolution, let's take a quick pit stop for a witty mid-video check-in question. Are you ready to buckle up and join us on this wild ride, or are you still trying to wrap your head around those daring BMW kidney grills? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation rolling. Reasons unveiled, the plot thickens. Now, let's delve into the motives behind BMW's radical design shift. The automotive atmosphere is abuzz with theories that attempt to unravel this intriguing mystery. One prevalent theory revolves around the influence of the Far East. BMW's massive success in China, where demand for larger-than-life designs thrives, may have played a role in their design choices. It's a classic case of supply meeting demand, adapting to the preferences of a specific market. But there's also another theory floating around, one that suggests BMW loves stirring up controversy for the sake of publicity. We've seen similar tactics before, like Apple's outrageously priced wheels for the Mac Pro. They were ridiculed, yet they kept the Apple brand on everyone's lips. Perhaps BMW is playing a similar game, ensuring that their name remains in the spotlight, even if it means dividing opinions with their daring designs. This theory proposes that BMW intentionally creates controversial designs to generate buzz and maintain brand visibility. By pushing boundaries and sparking debate, BMW may be strategically positioning itself as an innovative and daring brand that is unafraid to take risks. This approach could help them stand out in a crowded market and attract attention from both supporters and critics alike. Looking beyond the grills, power and performance. Those infamous kidney grills. They're like a magnet for controversy, making us question the sanity of BMW's designers. However, let's not forget that design is more than just skin deep. It's about what lies beneath the surface, what gets our heart racing when we press that pedal to the metal. BMW has always been synonymous with power, performance, and driving pleasure. Their cars are an absolute riot to drive, delivering a symphony of horsepower and handling that few can match. While we may roll our eyes at the exterior, we can't deny the exhilaration that awaits behind the wheel. It's that blend of power and pleasure that keeps us coming back for more, no matter how unconventional the design may be. From the iconic M3 to the luxurious 7 Series, BMW offers a diverse range of vehicles that cater to every driving enthusiast. Whether it's the precise steering, the responsive acceleration, or the impeccable balance, each BMW model provides an unforgettable experience on the road. With cutting-edge technology and innovative engineering, BMW continues to push boundaries and set new standards in the automotive industry. The future unveiled. Return to glory? Now, the burning question on everyone's mind. What lies ahead for BMW's design journey? Will they continue down this controversial path? Or will they surprise us all with a return to their former elegance? Speculation runs rampant, with some suggesting that their current design choices are part of a grand publicity stunt. Perhaps they're intentionally shocking us now, only to wow us later with a design revolution that restores our faith in their aesthetics. Remember the infamous new Coke debacle? Sometimes, shaking things up leads to even greater triumphs. BMW has always been a brand that takes risks, challenges norms, and leads the way. They've dared to go against the grain, even if it means facing criticism along the way. It's this fearless spirit that keeps us on the edge of our seats, curious and eager to see what they have up their sleeves for the future. BMW has a history of pushing boundaries and setting trends in the automotive industry. From their iconic kidney grille to their innovative use of carbon fiber, they have consistently surprised and impressed us with their bold choices. With each new model, they continue to redefine what is possible in terms of performance, technology, and design. We can't wait to see how they will once again wow us with a design revolution that captures our imagination and sets a new standard for automotive aesthetics. So, as we eagerly await the unveiling of BMW's next creation, let's buckle up and embrace the unpredictable. After all, design is subjective, and what may be controversial today might become iconic tomorrow. With BMW, we can expect the unexpected, and that's what makes their design journey such a thrilling ride. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the twists and turns of BMW's bold new design direction. From the golden era of elegance to the controversial choices that have us scratching our heads. But love them or loathe them, one thing's for sure. BMW knows how to keep us talking. If you enjoy this wild ride and want to stay up to date with all things automotive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Car Computer Exchange and join our community of car enthusiasts. We've got plenty more thrilling content coming your way. So buckle up and let's embark on more exhilarating adventures together. Until next time, keep those engines revving and those opinions rolling.